so small. Like it is so small. Anyways. Y'all, it is so nice outside. My brother got sushi. We're gonna have a mukbang here. I haven't even opened in mine. It smells really good. What's that? It's a spicy chicken burger. The bun smells buttery.
Spicy.
I just got a bite of my mom's spam musubi. It's really good. I'm gonna try this Hawaiian sun flavor. It's like a lychee flavor. Cheers. I'm gonna try some salad.
Taste? No. Blood. We're going from
Where are we going? I actually don't know. Oh. We're gonna look at what the pool looks like. Are we allowed to look? I hope it's like not closed. Oh wow. Ooh. Wait.
yeah, but I want to go to the super pool.
Anyways, how did you sleep last night?
I have to wake up early.
Oh right, yeah, his alarm went off at like 4 a.m. because he had to take his medication. And like at home, it's like 3 hours ahead, so he originally like takes his medicine at 7 a.m. So he had to wake up at 4 to take it. Personally, me, I think I slept pretty well, except for the alarm because it was kind of triggering me. Haven't heard that alarm in a hot minute, so yeah, we're gonna eat some breakfast first. I think at Starbucks, so catch you there.
Hey guys,
Starbucks. I ordered an iced brown sugar oat shaken espresso with vanilla sweet cream cold foam. Usually I get this when I'm like really tired, so I need like the caffeine in my system. My sister also got the same thing. And we're gonna go find somewhere to eat breakfast because I'm starving right now. So yeah. Taking pictures at the Aloha sign that's in front of our like hotel. Okay, so we're like entering the beach right now. Y'all, it is so pretty. Bruh, your hair.
What the heck?
Hey guys, it is a lot later. We took a walk in the beach and then we just head back to our hotel room. And now my brother and I are watching South Park. I haven't watched South Park in so long. So we just finished a hula lesson and it was so fun. There's a video of it. I'm just scared because like I feel like I'm a little stiff with my moves, but you know what? It was so fun regardless. We're gonna go swimming now because it's so hot. So we got some drinks and we got French fries. I ordered a pina colada. What'd you order?
I got a blue Hawaii.
My mom also got a virgin. we're gonna go find something to eat because we are really hungry. We had french fries, but it ran out like easily, so yeah. Gonna go get some lunch. We are grabbing some lunch at the ABC store again.
It's so cold.
Not that cold, bro. It's not even that cold. We are having lunch now. Bento chicken dynamite. What'd you guys get?
I got a bento salmon cherry chicken.
Did you get the same thing?
Yeah.
My sister got a salad, I think.
No,
Oh no.
I got a Portuguese sausage musubi and a chicken katsu musubi, and I got a hand roll, California hand roll.
And we got new flavors, strawberry guava. Yum. Time to eat now.
Actually good.
Hey guys, we're lining up for the luau and we're pretty early. It's like, what time is it?
It's 4:29.
It's 4:29 and doors open at like 5:30, so we're like an hour early. Yeah, because seats are first come, first serve. Anyways, see ya when I'm at the luau. We just got our food. So I got noodles. This is I think Emo's sweet potato, steamed, I'm not sure. Teriyaki grilled chicken, tater tots, bread. I forgot what it's called. I need to try it, so I'll tell you soon. But it's in cream sauce. Hawaiian style macaroni salad, fried rice. I also got bitter. Yeah, excited to eat. Yum. Guys, I got more food because the macaroni salad and the tater tots are so fire. Also, I got pineapple juice. Look, it's my sunny angel.
Next morning.
Good morning, guys. So today I went on a like Starbucks run. I got a matcha tea latte with oat milk and vanilla sweet cream cold foam. So fun. My sister got the same order. My mom got the same order as my sister. My brother got a frappuccino and my dad got a dark roast. So we're gonna go find something to eat for breakfast because I am starving. yummy.
They gave me a free flight.
Hey guys, so today we are at Moana Center, so it's a little mall. We're gonna find something to eat. Sorry if I haven't vlogged, but I'll explain later, so yeah. I never had the chance to explain what I was gonna say, but I have hiccups right now. So I didn't vlog a lot throughout this day. We went to Pearl Harbor before Moana Center, and I didn't get a chance to vlog it, sorry. And then after that we just went to Moana. We took the Uber there, and then we just explored around, and then we had some food, and then after that we just basically watched the hula performance, which is shown in the clip. Sorry, my hiccups are horrible, but anyways.
Strawberry bestseller.
Today we got some snacks. So I got a strawberry banana Oreo. My mom got the bestseller strawberry sandwich. And my brother got a strawberry Nutella. Bomb, we're gonna feast this. Oh, also, this is a coffee jelly. My brother got strawberry milk, so... Box combo. Wasted.
5 p.m. Don't worry, the ABC store closes at 11.
What is up, guys?
If you see it, you're looking at the closest island to Oahu to your far right out there. So what the farmers decided to do was to gather all the rabbits and take them to an island. Take a look to your right out here. Eucalyptus. Now, take a look to your front right. Back, they have a pineapple garden. Also in the back, make a right, go down by the pine trees. Look.
Hey guys, I literally suck at vlogging, so after the tour we just like took a rest. Then after that my sister and I went swimming, and then we ended off our dinner at Blue Water Shrimp because, you know, that's really fire. That's why we kept going back. And yeah, we ended our night there, and then yeah, that was basically the whole of like day 3, I guess.
Are you still there? You made it! You made it!
Do it used to take a long time to get ready.